What if I told you that working without a written contract doesn't automatically mean your job is illegal, but it does put you at risk? Many workers in Jamaica are told, you don't need a contract, just come to work. So let's clear this up properly. Can your boss refuse to give you a contract in Jamaica? And what does the law actually say? Yes, but that doesn't mean you have no rights. In Jamaica, a contract of employment does not have to be written to exist. Once you agree to work and the employer agrees to pay you, a contract is already in place, even if nothing is signed. A written contract protects both sides, but especially you as the worker. Without a written contract, it becomes harder to prove. Your pay rate, your hours, your notice period, your benefits, your probation terms. That's why written contracts are strongly recommended. There's no single law in Jamaica that forces every employer to issue a written contract in all cases. However, employers are still expected to act fairly and transparently. Verbal terms must still be honored. Labor laws still apply. What counts as proof of employment? If there's no contract, these can help prove your terms. Offer letters, WhatsApp messages or emails, pay slips or payment records, work schedules, witnesses, or supervisor's instructions. Make sure to document everything. Even a simple contract should state job title and duties, pay rate and pay schedule, working hours, probation period if any, notice period, and leave entitlements. If your employer refuses to put these in writing, that's a red flag. What can you do if your boss refuses? Here are your options. 1. Ask politely for written terms or an offer letter. 2. Confirm key terms by email or message. 3. Keep copies of all communication. 4. If disputes arise, contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. Working without a contract does not mean working without rights. But the less that's written down, the harder it is to protect yourself. Stay informed. Stay protected. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers know what to do before accepting a job. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.